If you want to take this off, you end up running into the issue where the double-sided sticky tape on the backside sticks to the body and it becomes a pain to get off. Now, today I'll show you how to get rid of all that. Very simple. Don't need much tools. Yes, I'm lucky. This is old, falling apart. It's time to just get rid of it. I'll use this buffing pad. It's kind of a stiffer one. I'll use that to start with to pull the glue off, and then once I get the glue off, I'll go over it just with any kind of compound on a softer, more finishing pad, and it'll clean up the rest of the stuff that's left in the truck. I think it took me like 15 minutes to get both doors done on the other side, so I'll set up here and let you guys see how it happens and go from there. And there you have it. Nice, clean, removed. Didn't burn through the paint. Whacked my head pretty good on that, so that's kind of funny. But there you have it. Easy way. One of those. They don't blow up on you. Velcro part on mine blew apart, but some super glue and it's all needed, so there you have it.